Another major innovation in the most recent version of Allplan is CineRender, the integrated CINEMA4D rendering technology. This enables you to produce professional visualizations in the established quality of Maxon CINEMA4D directly in Allplan and derive these visualizations from your building model. CineRender is used to create high-end renderings in a high resolution and quality. The updated material editor now offers many of the functions also used in CINEMA4D. If you open the material editor, you can select the most recently used materials or can choose from the predefined realistic materials in the libraries. The 30-year edition of Allplan provides a well-stocked material library. It has never been easier to get to grips with visualization because you do not need to put together your own collection of materials. During editing, a rendered preview of the material is displayed at the top. In the areas below, you can use the individual channels to define and edit the material in accordance with your requirements. The texture channel gives the material its external appearance. You define the transparency of a material below this. Allplan can also handle transparent PNG files. This makes things far easier for the leaves of trees, for example. It is also possible to define the refraction of light for glass materials. In the texture area, you can adapt the size and position of the material to the scale of the model. Another important innovation is the relief or bump channel. Here you can assign bumps to the materials. A black and white image of the texture is used by Allplan as information for the heights and depth of the relief. As a result, the later visualizations are far more realistic. The intensity controls the degree to which the relief channel is applied to the individual material. At the end of the material editor, a reflection can also be allocated to the material. This enables you to create materials that are as smooth as glass or slightly shiny. With all these parameters, it is now possible to present any materials in their proper light in Allplan. When you have assigned all the required materials to the model and checked the position of the sun using the real-time renderer, you press the F2 key to go to the render settings. There you can set the quality and resolution of the visualization and start the rendering. When you start the rendering, CineRender from Maxon is launched. If you have already worked with CINEMA4D, you will be familiar with the rendering process. CineRender starts CINEMA4D in the background of Allplan, so to speak, and exports the scene directly to the render engine. The result? A CINEMA4D visualization directly from Allplan, without extensive expert knowledge. See for yourself.